everyone, my name's Grace Fleming Williams and today I'm going to be showing you 5 creative and active and healthy things that you can do at home. First of all, let's start with a warm-up. We're going to begin by shaking our arms. Right arm first, then the left arm, everything all together. Shaking the legs and the other leg and then your whole body. We're then going to roll our shoulders back to begin with and then bring them forward. We're then going to stretch out our shoulders by reaching forward and across, and then again on the other side. Next, it's our neck, looking over to the left and then the right, looking down and up to the sky. After that, we'll work on our legs. Bending one leg, keeping the other nice and straight, and the other side too. When we get back to the middle, give everything one last shake and we're ready to begin. Our first activity is called Book Inspiration. You're going to pick 3 books, flick the page open, and wherever your finger falls, you're going to write down what you can see. For me, it was Arctic regions. For you, it will be something different. You're going to do this 3 times until you have 3 sentences just like mine that you can see in front of me here, and these are going to be your inspirations either to draw a picture or create a story. I'm going to use these 3 statements to inspire a story all about my favourite toy, which is this little cream monkey you can see. Lay out those 3 statements in front of you, and then on 6 pieces of card you're going to write out 6 stages of a story all about your favourite toy. Deep near the Arctic regions lived an Arctic monkey. Every morning he began his walk to the forest of calm after a nice long drink. "What are you drinking, monkey?" "It's this special liquid made of maple syrup and freshly squeezed lemons." He crossed the river and climbed the mountains until he reached the forest of calm. The trees helped him maintain an inner balance. He sat down and listened to the birds. Our next activity is baking biscuits. You'll need a mixing bowl, a wooden spoon, 1 ounce of sugar, 2 ounces of butter and 3 ounces of flour. Tip your butter into your mixing bowl, followed by your sugar, and mix together until you have a nice soft paste. Next, you're going to add the flour just a little bit at a time until that soft paste becomes more of a dough mixture, just like the mixture that you can see here in this bowl. You're then going to tear off little bits at a time and roll them in your hands until you end up with about 10 balls. Once they're all placed on your baking sheet, you're going to take a little tablespoon or a teaspoon and flatten them down until they're about 1 centimetre thick. Bake them in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes at 180 degrees before laying them out to cool. Then you can eat and enjoy. Our next activity is decorating some rocks with positive messages or pictures which you can take with you on your next walk and leave for someone to find. I'm going to draw a sunshine here. You can draw whatever you would like, pictures or messages, as long as they're positive. Once you've finished, don't forget to decorate them with a little bit of colour, and like I say, take them with you on your next walk and leave them for someone to find and take home. Our final activity of the day is drawing a treasure map to go on an adventure. Now, you begin by drawing a floor plan of your house, what your house looks like from the sky, downstairs and upstairs, and all of the different rooms inside your house. Once you have written down all of the different rooms inside your house, you're then going to draw a treasure map. In your treasure map, you're going to have all of the different spaces as imaginary places on your island. Don't forget to draw in the sea, of course. So my hallway here is going to become a little bay. Then you might have some mountains that I'm drawing here, which will become your living room. And in each of these spaces on the map and in your house, you're going to create challenges for yourself that you must complete before you can move on to the next place on your map. Lots of brilliant doodling later, you will have a nearly completed treasure map. Don't forget to draw a little dotted line which shows the route through your treasure island, and also to name all the different places that you are going to explore. The hallway becomes the Bay of Hope, your living room the Mountains of Doom, and all the different names you can think of. So there we have it, 5 healthy, creative, active things to do whilst you're at home. I hope you enjoyed them, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!